Welcome to the first BSc Physics paper, Mechanics and Properties of Matter for the syllabus of the Coimbatore University BSc course. It is Muhammad Ajmal from the Department of Physics. In this session, today I am dealing on the surface tension, its basic definitions like synclastic surface, anticlastic surface, angle of contact, its uses of the surface tension, physical examples, and molecular theory of surface tension. So first, the surface tension is defined as the property of a liquid due to which the free surface of the liquid behaves like a stretched membrane. Synclastic surface, the surface in which the centers or curvatures are on the same side of the surfaces. Whereas in case of anticlastic surface, the centers or the curvatures are on the opposite side of the surfaces. Illustrations, for example, a small needle can be put on the surface of still water. Second one, a small quantity of liquid takes spherical shape because for a given volume, sphere has minimum surface area. Example, raindrops are spherical in shape because of the surface tension of water. Second one, in a wet paintbrush, hairs cling together because the water film between the hairs try to contract. That is, the forces of attraction between the molecules of liquid and the molecules of the hair try to attract each other, due to which the hairs in the hairs cling together. We have another definition like surface energy. Due to the surface tension, the free surface of a liquid tries to contract. Therefore, to increase the surface area, work is required to be done. Therefore, surface energy is defined as the work done in increasing the surface area of the liquid by unity at constant temperature. Surface tension and surface energy are numerically equivalent. So to explain the molecular theory of the surface tension, that is, surface tension can be explained by a theory called molecular theory of surface tension. So to understand what molecular theory of surface tension is, we need some definitions like molecular range, sphere of influence, etc. So the molecular range is the maximum distance up to which the force of cohesion between the two molecules can act, whereas sphere of influence is a sphere drawn with molecule as center and molecular range as radius. A molecule attracts or attracted by the molecules within the surface of influence. That is, to explain the molecular theory of the surface tension, in this diagram I have considered three spheres of influence: sphere A, sphere B, and sphere C. As shown here, sphere A is well below the surface of the liquid, sphere B at the surface of the liquid, and sphere C, half of the sphere lies inside the liquid and half lies outside the surface. As shown in this shown here, The sphere of influence A lies completely inside the liquid. The sphere of influence B lies partly outside. The number of molecules in the lower half is more, then there is a resultant downward force on it. Whereas in case of C, where half of the sphere lies outside the liquid, it is attracted downward with maximum force perpendicular to the surface. Therefore, if a molecule is brought from inside of the liquid to the surface film, work has to be done against downward cohesive force and its potential energy increases. To have minimum potential energy, surface of the film must be least. That is, the free surface always tries to contract, and the free surface behaves as the elastic membrane. So that we can make a pin and blade to float on the surface of the liquid. We will go in detail in the next sessions. Till then, thank you.